हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू योर फेवरेट कैट चैनल क्वांटिफायर्स अगेन। हम आज एक नए सेट के साथ वापस आए हैं एंड वेरी क्विकली, लाइक आई ऑलवेज से, if you want to receive all the updates directly in your WhatsApp inbox and you do not want to miss on any important update from us, you can simply text me at or you can simply fill a Google form that is given in the description, and then you have to text me at the number given in it. Alright, बस आप वो फॉर्म फिल करिएगा और आप सारी चीजें रिसीव करेंगे हमसे. All right, now this is today's set of the day. I request you to pause it. It is a time challenger set, right? You have to complete this set in 8 minutes, right? So now if you are up for it, right now, pause the screen, try it, and as soon as you are done, mention your timings in the comment, right? And then see that how many of you are correct. So mention your answers in this way, that you got, let us say, 2 out of 4 correct, and your timing was, let us say, 7.5 minutes. So you comment it in this way. Let us see that how much can you can get right. चलो फटाफट से क्वेश्चन पढ़ते हैं. क्या था? It is a multi-layered pie chart given below, shows the TV viewing patterns of the people living in residential colony during daytime and nighttime. The innermost layer shows time and nighttime viewership. So this is daytime viewership and this is the nighttime viewership. This is the innermost pie chart. All right. If this is 60%, this is 40%. 40% is 1440, 1% is 36, 60% is 2160. So in this set, we will learn how we manipulate the numbers, right? So I'll just do what I did in a little slow motion. If 40% is 1440, then 1% is what? 1440 divided by 40. That is 36. This is 1%. Then what is 100%? Or sorry, I have to calculate 60%. Then what is 60%? Multiplying both sides were 60. 6 into 36, 216, 2160. Right. So this is how we reach this number. Now, the outer layer shows the genre of the programs preferred, with each label showing the type of program watched along the number of people watching it. So Swar is one, we can say, हमें जो दिया हुआ है program है, ठीक है? All right. Channel wise viewership. So Swar channel, Rank channel, Z channel, Monia channel. These are the 4 channels that are given to us. And in channels के ऊपर 160 लोग आपके फैमिली देखते हैं, रियलिटी देखते हैं, कुछ लोग आपके पास फैमिली देखते हैं, कुछ लोग आपके पास क्राइम देखते हैं. जनरल आपका आउटर उसमें डिस्क्राइब्ड है. Alright, so once I have calculated it, these numbers are easy. Okay, one more thing is given to us. Reality TV, the number of people who watch reality TV, right? So please understand this word carefully. The number of persons watching reality TV on Moni, Z, Rang, and Swar during the day. So during the day, the people who are watching reality on Moni, reality, and reality. So these people form an arithmetic progression. So basically 60, the next term A, the next term B, and the last term 120. They form an arithmetic progression. So reality वाले जो दिन में देखते हैं, ये चार टर्म से arithmetic बनाते हैं. तो अगर मैं देखूं तो 80 और 100 आएगा. Just in case अगर आप confuse हो कैसे 80 और 100 आएगा, this is an increasing arithmetic progression. So terms are 60, 60 plus D, 60 plus 2D, 60 plus 3D. ये फाइनल टर्म है जो कि 120 के इक्वल है. तो यहाँ से डी आया 20 आपके पास, ठीक है. 3D 60, डी आया 20. So 60, 80, 100 and 120. These are the 4 terms. So 60, this reality is 80. So now let's move to the chart and solve it. All right, whatever the questions are. So this reality is 60, this reality is 80, this is 100, and this is 120 already given to us. Right, and I calculated that these are 2160 people. Now this is 420, this is 640, this is 560. 640 and 560, 1200, 1600, 560, 20, 540. So rank people are 540, right? Now in a very similar way, calculate everything else. How do we calculate everything else? Now for Moni, 140 are here, 60 are here. So 200, crime must be 100. All right, simple as that. Now for Z, 200, 120, 200, 120, 320, and 80, 400. This must be 400. 160, 120, 280, 100, 380. Rank must be 380. Now for Swar, it is 1440 minus 300, 400, 300. 1440 minus 7 and 3000. That is 440 minus 80 more 360. So Swar is 360. So 360. Out of Swar, 150 is this, 120 is this, 115, 270. So family must be 90. All right. So this is what we can find out. All right. Now further, now once I have reached this, everything else will be very, very easy for me, right? For Swar in the daytime, 420, 150 and 160, 310, family will be 110. All right. Now 540, 160 and 140, 340, reality must be 200. Z, 120 and 200, 320, so family must be 320. For Moni, 200 and 140, 340, so this must be 240. 340, 220, this must be 220, crime must be 220. All right, so these are all the values that I can fetch. Now let us move to the questions. This is the only thing that I need to do. It is a calculation based set, right? What percentage of all the ZTV viewers prefer program or the family channel? So ZTV 400 and 640, total 1040, and family channel Z family 120, Z family 320, 120 and 320, 440. Right? I have to calculate this. Now see how to quickly calculate the percentages. I know that 50%, 1040. I know that 50% will be half, that is 520. I have to calculate 540. What is 10%? 10% is 104. 5% will be approximately 50. So if I remove 5%, I will be reaching somewhere at 470, but I need to reach at 440 क्योंकि मुझे ये देखना है कि 440 कितना परसेंट है ना? 470 अगर इतना है तो 440 55 से कम होगा, 42.3 आंसर आ जाएगा आपका. इतना कम तो नहीं होगा कि 32 आए, है ना? So this is how you calculate it. Now, what is the ratio of number of people watching crime genre to those of that in watching reality genre? So when I talk about crime genre, crime genre, 100, 200, 160, 150, 220, 200, 180, 150, 68, 100, 68, 100. Divided by, now we have to calculate for this 68, 1360. All right, 1360, right? I have my calculations. Now divided by the ratio for our family genre. Family genre is 140, 240, 380, 470, 670, 49, 68 by 49. Right, so this is what your required answer is. All right. What is the absolute difference between the total viewership of Rank TV during night and day? Rank TV during 380 and 540, 160 is the difference, right? The viewership of family genre program on Moni TV is what percent more or less than the viewership of same genre program on Swar TV? Moni TV's viewership of family genre on Moni TV. Moni TV family genre is 140 and Moni channel 1 is 240. So total is 340. This is what percentage more or less than the as compared to same genre Swar TV. Swar TV family 90 and 200. So this is 200, this is 340, so this is 140 more. 200 by 140, 140 by 200, 70% more. All right, 70% more. So this is the required answer. So this completes our set, right? A set which is not difficult at all, but might scare you because of the amount of numbers used in it. People do get scared by watching at the pie chart and everything. So what do we learn from this set? That whenever you see a set which might appear complex, you must spend 2 to 3 minutes reading it, right? It might give you a new perspective to it and you will be able to solve it very easily. Right. I hope you enjoyed learning. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.